So the oven here, you've got some slots for knives in the back, fan, a light, of course, a little screen up here to clean, a grease screen. So the top has a sparker. So all you have to do is kind of like a barbecuer. You just turn this to where it says light. Just always turn it clockwise. Doesn't matter where you stop. Here's the back one and the other back one. Just give it a couple of clicks, okay? The oven itself, you have to light with a lighter. You have to light your pilot down below. It takes 2 hands to do this. Unless somebody's helping you. You go from off to where it says pilot and you push it all the way in like that. Okay, and hold it in. Light it down here. If you want to look, you'll see that blue flame down there.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, now we need to make sure we hold this in for about 10 seconds. Got to keep it going long enough to keep the flame on down there. And then we can let it go and turn it to on. And there's your burner. Now this is up high enough so if you went and bought a broiler pan, you could broil on the bottom here because the heat's above you. This will stay where it's at, and you've got a couple settings for your rack. So if you think you're going to reuse the oven throughout the course of the day, you can leave the pilot on. That way you don't have to light it each time. But if you're done with it and you're going to take off, you best just turn it off. Saves propane that way anyway.